Have you ever wondered how to turn a rough day into a relaxed one? Here's a quick guide to mastering back and shoulder massages. Let's dive in. Picture this: gentle hands, calming music, and a serene environment. That's all it takes to transform your living room into a mini spa. Let's start with the shoulders. Use your thumbs to make small circles along the top of the shoulders. This helps release tension and aids in relaxation. Next, glide your hands down the back. Remember, gentle pressure is key. You can use your palms to apply a smooth, even pressure that soothes and relaxes the muscles. Make sure to move slowly and breathe deeply. Not only does this help the person receiving the massage, but it also helps you stay calm and focused. And don't forget, the power of touch is tremendous. Regular back and shoulder massages can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost immunity. So grab a partner and start practicing these simple techniques. Before you go, hit that like button if you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and relaxation tips. Stay relaxed and rejuvenated, my friend.